Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on PC without a traditional third-party emulator. While the game is built for mobile, many players want to enjoy it on a larger screen. We'll look at alternative approaches that allow you to experience the game on your computer, focusing on methods that don't require installing a separate emulator application. One way to play without a separate emulator is using the Windows subsystem for Android, available on Windows 11. This feature allows your PC to run Android applications directly. You'll need to install the Amazon App Store, then download PUBG Mobile from there. Ensure your system meets the requirements and that virtualization is enabled in your BIOS for optimal performance. Another approach involves screen mirroring your mobile device to your computer. Tools like Microsoft Phone Link or various third-party applications can project your phone's display onto your PC monitor. While this gives you a larger view, the game still runs on your phone. You'll typically control the game using your phone, or you might need to set up complex key mapping for PC input. While these methods avoid traditional emulators, it's important to note that official emulators are often optimized for PUBG Mobile on PC, offering better performance and integrated controls. Alternative approaches might introduce input lag or lower frame rates. For the best experience, ensure your PC has sufficient resources and a stable, fast internet connection, regardless of your chosen method.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.